A lot of marketers realize too late that they've chosen the wrong tools, but no one likes migrating platforms and starting over. Every month, hundreds of businesses switch from Mailchimp to ActiveCampaign. Not because Mailchimp is bad at sending emails, but because when you hit a certain point in your growth, Mailchimp's cracks start to show. Both platforms are good, but they serve different needs. First, let's meet the tools. Mailchimp is designed to get simple email campaigns out quickly. It's known for being beginner-friendly with a clean interface and a low-cost entry point. ActiveCampaign is designed for businesses that want to run very personalized marketing at scale. It has advanced automation and AI tools paired with the connected CRM and cross-channel capabilities, including SMS and WhatsApp. It allows campaigns to respond to customer behavior, not just a schedule. As Zapier put it, ActiveCampaign is a marketing automation beast. They summed it up. Mailchimp is simpler and better for people new to email marketing. ActiveCampaign is more advanced yet surprisingly easy to use. Now let's look at how the tools truly stack up against one another. Both Mailchimp and ActiveCampaign list features like automation and segmentation, but don't go into detail on how their versions of the features affect the quality of your campaigns. Which is why instead of reading off a long list of features, let's focus on 3 big differences that actually have an impact on the work you do every day. Automation depth. How well you can scale your strategy and the long-term value of each platform. Automation depth is basically how smart can your marketing be without you constantly rebuilding it. Mailchimp's marketing automation flows are a newer feature that improves on their older classic automation builder. They are designed for quick setup and cover common lifestyle marketing actions. Mailchimp's automation range is more limited with fewer than 35 triggers, compared to ActiveCampaign's 75 plus triggers. With Mailchimp, you can use some behavioral triggers in the new automation builder, like if a contact clicks a link or views a page, but it's limited to the number of actions you can take. So it's best for standard set it and forget it sequences like welcome series, basic lead nurturing, and re-engagement, where you want quick setup and reliable execution without a lot of configuration. It's also worth knowing that you're limited to just 4 flow steps, whereas in ActiveCampaign, there is no limit to your automation building. In ActiveCampaign, automations are built to handle complex branching and conditional logic, doing things for you like scoring a lead automatically as their behavior escalates by doing things like visiting a pricing page, watching a demo, or opening 2 emails in a row. Then you can trigger a different path depending on their intent level, or if they aren't engaging at all. Automations can stop a promo sequence and move a contact into onboarding the moment they purchase. And because ActiveCampaign's CRM is built in, you can trigger a sales follow-up, add a task, move a deal to a new pipeline stage, or notify a rep, all from the same automation, with no third-party tools required. Automations and triggers are also unlimited for most paid plans. Now, this automation depth can seem complex, and you might have heard that ActiveCampaign has a steep learning curve. In reality, you can send your first campaign in minutes, just like you can in Mailchimp. ActiveCampaign's automation capabilities are powered by Active Intelligence, ActiveCampaign's AI. So you can create, build, and kick off an automation complete with custom-made campaigns simply by typing in a description of your goal as a prompt. Mailchimp also offers some AI tools, but they're mostly aimed at content suggestions under Intuit Assist, which is currently a beta release. Also worth noting is that their website says the Essentials plan does not include generative AI features. Now let's talk scale. When we say a platform scales, we don't just mean it can hold more contacts. We mean it can handle more segments, more personalization, and more automations. Scaling matters because marketing doesn't stay simple for long when it's working. At the start, you can send one newsletter to everyone and call it a day. But once you grow, you're most likely talking to different groups with different needs. Mailchimp can scale for a lot of businesses, especially if your program stays fairly simple. But as needs increase, teams often end up doing more manual work, building segments repeatedly, managing multiple audiences, and recreating variations of the same campaign to reach different groups. Some Mailchimp users report that the tool just doesn't cut it when you hit the growth stage. Reducing manual work is actually the #1 reasons customers say they switch from Mailchimp to ActiveCampaign, according to a customer survey. In contrast, ActiveCampaign is built to stay as flexible as the needs of your business grow alongside it. As lists expand and your marketing program gets more complex, you can keep using the same automation framework and add to it, without having to duplicate anything. Plus, ActiveCampaign's AI, Active Intelligence, continuously monitors your campaigns and proactively guides marketing decisions with autonomous insights, which proactively surfaces recommendations to improve your marketing based on what is working in your account, as well as billions of customer interactions within ActiveCampaign's platform. Finally, pricing. This is where a lot of teams get surprised. Sticker shock is a common problem for SaaS tools. It's tricky to truly benchmark a tool's capabilities from the pricing page. Instead, let's look at how value over time compares in the two platforms. To start, your marketing will be less effective and less valuable if your messages aren't getting through to your audience. A third-party email deliverability study by Email Tool Tester tested how often platforms successfully get emails into the inbox. The results? Mailchimp was ranked number 7, and ActiveCampaign was ranked number 1. Both platforms let you test drive without a credit card, each offering a free 14-day trial to get started. Unlike ActiveCampaign, Mailchimp offers a free plan, but it's worth mentioning that the ceiling on that plan is low, especially now. A year ago, the free plan included a 2,000 contact limit, but that limit has been quietly cut twice in the past year, down to 500 contacts and again to 250 contacts, where it sits now. It also doesn't include automation, templates, and you can only send a maximum of 500 emails a month. So for simple programs, Mailchimp can stay cost-effective. But for those looking to grow, costs can rise quickly as you upgrade to gain more advanced features. ActiveCampaign's low-cost starter tier starts at $15 per month for 1,000 contacts. That's just $2 more than you'll pay for 500 contacts with Mailchimp's low-cost Essentials tier. And you will get access to custom reports, advanced segmentation, and ActiveCampaign's AI, Active Intelligence. As Zapier put it, Mailchimp is cheaper if you just need email marketing. ActiveCampaign gives you more bang for your buck. And if your business needs capabilities like sales engagement or transactional email down the line, you can easily layer them in. Plus, because Active Intelligence is designed to help you with faster campaign creation, automation updates, and reporting, your team will spend less of their valuable time in setup mode. And as mentioned earlier, ActiveCampaign also includes a built-in CRM on all plans, not as an add-on, something Mailchimp doesn't even offer. So which tool is right for you? Now, this message probably seems biased given who it's coming from, and that's understandable. We want you to make the best choice for your business. Mailchimp is a good option if you want a simple, small-scale solution to launch quickly. You're a solo founder or a small local business and just need to send emails like newsletters and promos. You just have one audience and one message, so everyone gets roughly the same content. Segmentation is nice to have, not mission critical, and personalization is mostly cosmetic, not behavioral. ActiveCampaign is a good option if you want a solution with automations that are built to handle complex branching and conditional logic, allowing you to set up tailored content and personalization from the start. You're a business that is focused on growing and wants a tool that can not only grow with you, but fuel that growth with advanced features. You want cutting-edge AI features built for marketers that will help you set up campaigns in seconds, track your goals, and proactively provide you insights and suggestions to help you succeed. At the end of the day, both platforms can capably send emails to groups of contacts. The difference shows up when your business grows. You don't want to start off with a tool that will only end up failing when you start to succeed, and your marketing requires sophistication and advanced tools to stay ahead. If you would like to try ActiveCampaign for free, you can visit our website. If you are currently a Mailchimp customer thinking about switching, ActiveCampaign's migration solution has made this process much easier and can be tested with no strings using an ActiveCampaign trial account. Thanks for watching.